Today we're starting the videos on the brand new Husqvarna Viking Onyx 25 sewing machine. Hi, I'm Sarah from sewingmastery.com, where we take sewing machines, embroidery machines, and sergers, open them up, and then do a video on every page of the manual. So we're going to start by seeing what comes out of the box exactly as it has arrived, and then we're going to start doing videos like on threading and cleaning and buttonholes. Now, this machine is a very affordable, basic Husqvarna Viking. One of my most exciting features I've noticed about this machine is that even though it is basic, it does utilize the Husqvarna Viking feet. Now, not all basic machines do that. That's why I'm excited, because all those wonderful feet that you've seen available for Husqvarna Viking can fit this machine. So we're going to walk you through just the basics. It is a mechanical machine, so you don't have to know a lot about the buttons and settings. We're going to walk you through just the basics. It even has like a little cheat sheet for like how to set up certain stitches so you can jump right into your current sewing projects. Now, you can watch these videos, especially if you've just bought this machine, but also use them. So what if this is the right machine for you? So you can go and check it out, see what all comes with it, and know that you'll be able to learn how to use it with these videos as soon as you get one of your own. Okay, as soon as I open this box, I'm noticing something that everybody likes: the printed manual. So this is nice to have right at your fingertips. We're going to be going through each of those pages, but Husqvarna Viking has one of these on the website should you lose it or not have it with your machine, and an accessory bag of feet. So this is going to be something we're going to take and go through. We've got the warranty, which will cover, and a light dust cover to go over it when you're not using it. Now, here's a little trick for getting a machine out of a box that has the styrofoam on the side. So if you actually just take the machine and go upside down with it, it's super easier than trying to tug it out. So watch this. So we're just going to kind of go up through and over the edge, and then we'll just flip the machine right side over, and then we can pull these two end caps of styrofoam off, and we'll be easy, ready to start. So handle on the top, so that's easy for traveling to class with. And I know when they pack these, they're all so nice and contained here. There she is. Ta-da! So what we have is everything that we need right here, noted as stitches and settings and width and tension. And yes, we're going to go through all those. Look at that right there is your foot control. We'll slide that out. We'll get this plugged in right away. I'm going to show you the easiest, fastest way to thread the machine so you do it correctly and don't get frustrated. Yes, there is a few things to know about sewing machines, and even to just how to successfully do the bobbin. It's got one of the simplest bobbin, drop-in bobbin features here, plus a easy to find bobbin that you can always have just the right amount of bobbins. People always ask me, how many bobbins do you need, Sarah? And I always say somewhere between 10 and 20 bobbins are great. So if you didn't pick up any extra bobbins when you bought your machine, just know that you need a pack or two, and you should be good for most sewing projects, and you're not rewinding bobbins every time you change colors. I do see a few more features that I am in love with. It does have a needle threader, and it has a one-step buttonhole, which makes buttonholes so much easier. So if those are a couple things that you're looking for, you're going to love all the stretch stitches, all the decorative stitches that come with this machine. And it would be a perfect machine for anybody getting started, or for somebody that's looking for just a good, sturdy machine to sew with. So without any further ado, let's go ahead and get started on the tutorials of how to use the Husqvarna Viking Onyx 25 sewing machine perfectly from day one.